Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? We got another pack. Let's go. This is called the TCG Lightning Set. It's got 4 packs and a bonus card. Get this pack opened up right now. Here we go. Okay, ready? Let's do this. And away we go. Here we go. Oh, we got a Score Bunny as a promo card. Hollow, common hollow. Okay. Thank you for that. Put back on the side. Here we go. And let's see, we got 3 Shining Fates. 3 Shining Fates pack. Oh, I just want to make sure these are in the clip. Here we go. 3 Shining Fates. Let's do this. Demi, what should we open up first?
The middle one.
Shining Fates? Okay, let's do this. Okay, put that on the side for now. Shining Fates. Okay, we got a white and green pack. Let's do this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and what's that energy? Darkness. We got a leaf energy.
I forgot to say, I was like,
Get that. Oh, almost messed it up. Okay, we got Luxio, Floatzel, Rotom, Coughing, Cacnea, Gossiflower, Snom. Oh, I'm cheating. Trapinch, Floatzel, it's the reverse hollow, and
bang.
Yamega, non-hollow rare. Okay. It's not a good sign. Next pack, Shining Fates. Here we go. You gotta get a hit. One, 2, 3, and guess that energy. Fighting. Oh, what the
I
heck?
think maybe this one doesn't have it. Like,
No, I messed it up. There was 2. Fighting, dark. Okay. Another Floatzel. I don't even know this Pokemon. Dartrix. Bog-Eye. Coughing. Horsey. Grookey. Look at Grookey. Morpeko. Spinnerack. I see it. Ooh. Wait, we got this. We put this earlier on our last one, right? And a Manaphy. Okay. Let's look at this card. Look at that shine. Can you see the shine? We just pulled this card, right? Okay. I'm a fan. It's good. Let's do Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows. So far, no hits. And it's a green pack. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And what's that energy? Oh wait, I'm not sure on this pack. What pack was this? Sun and Moon. Is a card trick 4 cards? Here, let's just do this. Right on. Lunatone, Seadra, Marill, Pansage, Esper, Pikachu. Look at that. Okay, I'm keeping this.
Pikachu.
Noibat, Vileplume, reverse hollow. Oh, we got a hit. I saw some shine. Midian. Oh, here, let's keep that on this side. Nope, I lied.
Oh, wait, what the?
Energy. Okay, I definitely messed up.
At the back.
This was okay. No, it was 4 cards. Cause I did 3, but like the other packs, it wasn't. It was just 3. Okay, no worries. Oh no, guys, we got 1 pack left. No hits. Last pack, Shining Fates. Come on, shine, baby,
yes.
Shining Fates. 1, 2, 3.
Fire.
And then fire. Leaf
Do
again.
it.
Here we go. Last pack, guys. Last pack magic. Oh, I think I seen
Stop
something.
cheating.
Okay, we got trainer.
Trainer.
Thwacky.
Thwack.
I'm gonna keep that on the side. I like that card. Roulette.
Second evolution.
Trap Pinch. How do you pronounce that?
Weasel.
Weasel?
Weasel.
Weasel? Coughing. Shinx.
Ah.
Oh! Eternatus V. Wait. I've been pronouncing it wrong the whole time. Eternatus V.
Oh.
Eternatus V. Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Delmice V Max. What? What?
What? 2 in 1.
2 in 1?
The last one. Best
Eternatus V gold card and a Delmice V Max in the back. What? Can you guys see that?
Wow.
Oh my god. Okay, I think we pulled
Lucky
this
I came
before.
down here. No?
We pulled this before. I think I have it in my binder. We should go get my binder. But this, ladies and gentlemen, Eternatus V gold card. Let's go. Centering is perfect.
Wow.
This is probably the best pull. We gotta throw this on eBay. Let's look at how much this card costs. This is the best card I ever pulled, and I've been pulling cards since 2 weeks ago.
2
So
in 1.
we just started this, baby, and I'm loving it. The last pack on the Shining Fates. Wow, guys. Here, let me clear this off. Can you see that? Here, let's line it up real quick. Here we go. These are good.
The good cards. Thwanky.
Okay, we got a Score Bunny, Full Soul. Hey, I made it there. I like Thwacky. Pikachu. I like this art. It's cool. Simple. Score Bunny.
2 in 1.
Nice, guys. All right, let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned for more pack openings. We got a lot more of them. Subscribe.